Nate's here. Oh my gosh, I know him. Nate is here. I know him.
So you notice the woodwork, and then you have the main floor laundry here, which is something really nice about this home that you don't normally get in a home of this age. And then you see that.
I'm here. I'm at a showing, and I'm singing.
What is this? Christmas gram?
Christmas tree. What's that? I want one.
That's weird. They normally just put my name into Jingle Bells. Alright, you see the dining room, and actually the kitchen has heated floors so that the radiant heat keeps your feet warm. Buddy, don't eat those! So, and you see the cooktop here. Hey, will you stop that?
Smiling's my favorite.
You see, this is the primary, and it has the primary bathroom attached.
Good news. I saw a dog today.
Does he come with the house?
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the way. Ah! Son of a nutcracker! Hi. My name's Buddy. What's your name? Someone need a hug. Just wanted a hug.
So I think this is the problem with open houses, because this guy just showed up and I have no idea exactly what.
Does someone need help finding a home? I love homes. Santa, I know him. Santa? You're not Santa.
Oh, if only. Thanks for coming. It's been great. I mean, I hope you got to look at the house. I mean, it's really great to be able to have people come to the open house and do.
We should host a gingerbread open house.
Bye, buddy. I hope you find your house.
The best way to spread Christmas cheer is to work with Jaqua throughout the year. It's Jaqua! I know them!